Hyperliquid just surged nearly 10%, hitting above $63. And if you've been sleeping on Hype token, this video is your wake-up call. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your Hype tokens on Hyperliquid and start earning passive income. We'll cover what staking is, how it works on Hyperliquid, the rewards you can earn, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Plus, I'll share some important tips you need to know before you stake your tokens. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get into the tutorial, let me quickly explain why everyone is talking about Hyperliquid right now, because this is important context. Hype just climbed nearly 10%, pushing its market cap above $15 billion and landing it at number 11 in global crypto rankings. And here's the reason this isn't just another pump and dump situation. Hyperliquid has been funneling nearly all of its trading fee revenue, over $1.16 billion, into open market Hype buybacks through something called the Assistance Fund. That's not Hype. That's a built-in mechanism that absorbs sell pressure and supports the price structurally. On top of that, ETF inflows are coming in. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert reported roughly $53 million in cumulative inflows across two Hype ETFs since their May launches. And if that wasn't enough, Hyperliquid recorded $2.6 trillion in notional trading volume earlier this year. Coinbase did $1.4 trillion. That's nearly double from an on-chain exchange. So when people say Hype could one day flip BNB, that's not a crazy take anymore. Now, with that context in mind, let's talk about how you can actually participate in this ecosystem by staking your Hype tokens. First things first, what is staking? Staking is basically locking up your crypto tokens to support the network and earn rewards in return. Think of it like putting your money in a savings account, except instead of a bank, you're supporting a blockchain network. On Hyperliquid, you can stake Hype tokens, which is the native token of the platform. Why would you want to stake? There are a few reasons. One, earn passive income. You earn rewards just for holding and staking your tokens. It's a great way to make your crypto work for you instead of just sitting in your wallet. Two, supporting the network. By staking, you're helping secure and support the Hyperliquid ecosystem. 3. Long-term holding strategy. If you're planning to hold Hype for the long term anyway, you might as well stake it and earn rewards while you wait. Now, before we get into the how-to, there are a few things you need to know. First things first, you will need a Hyperliquid account if you don't have one. Click the link in the description below and create an account or link up a wallet. The beauty of a decentralized exchange is there's no KYC, no waiting, and you're ready to go in seconds. Once you use the link in the description below, you'll get a 4% discount on your trading fees for your first $25 million in trading volume. Make sure you only use the link from the description, so you don't get phished and get scammed. It's very common in crypto, so just be careful. Number 1, staking rewards. The rewards you earn from staking depend on a few factors. First, the total amount staked. The more people stake, the lower the individual rewards. Second, your stake size. The more you stake, the more you earn. Third, staking duration. How long you keep your token staked. You can check the current APR, annual percentage rate, on the staking page. This tells you how much you can expect to earn per year. Keep in mind, APR can change over time based on network conditions and how many people are staking. Number 2, unstaking period. This is very, very important. When you stake your tokens, they're locked up. You can't just unstake them instantly whenever you want. On Hyperliquid, there's an unstaking period, also called a cooldown period. This means when you decide to unstake, you'll have to wait a certain amount of time before you can access your tokens again. Make sure you check what the current unstaking period is before you stake. It could be a few days or even weeks, depending on the network rules. So only stake what you can afford to lock up. Don't stake tokens you might need access to quickly. Number 3, rewards distribution. Stake and rewards are typically distributed automatically. You'll see your rewards accumulate over time in your staking dashboard. Some platforms let you claim rewards manually, while others auto-compound them, meaning your rewards get automatically restaked to earn even more. Check how Hyperliquid handles this on the staking page. Number 4, risks. Like anything in crypto, staking comes with risks. Price volatility, the value of Hype, can go up or down while your tokens are staked. Lockup period, your tokens are locked, so you can't sell them immediately if the price drops. Smart contract risk, while rare, there's always a small risk with any blockchain protocol. Just be aware of these risks before you stake. By the way, if you want to have your own AI whale tracker scanning 33,000 wallets and telling you exactly what smart money is doing right now on Hyperliquid, check out AI Trade Edge community from the link down below. All right, now let's get into the actual process. Here's how to stake your Hype tokens on Hyperliquid. Step 1, get your Hype tokens. First things first, you need to own Hype tokens to stake them. If you don't have any yet, you'll need to buy some. You can do this on Hyperliquid's spot market. Go to trade, switch to spot, search for Hype-USDC. Buy the amount of Hype you want to stake. Once you have your Hype tokens, you're ready to stake. Step 2, go to the staking page. Now go to the staking section on Hyperliquid. You can find this in the top navigation bar. Click on staking. Once you're on the staking page, you'll see a list of validators. Now, let me break down what each column means because this is important for choosing the right validator. Name. This is the name of the Hyper validator. Each validator is run by different operators. Description. This is the description for the validator. Some validators will explain what they do or what makes them unique. Total staked. This shows how much Hype is currently staked with that specific validator. Higher numbers usually mean the validator is more trusted by the community. Your staked balance. This shows how much you've already staked with that validator, if any. Uptime. This is super important. Uptime refers to the amount of time the validator has been operational and available. The higher the percentage, the more reliable the validator is. You want to choose validators with high uptime, ideally 99% or higher. Current APR. This is the annual percentage rate you can earn by staking with that validator. Different validators may offer different APRs. Status. This shows if the validator is active or not. Only stake with active validators. Commission. This is the commission rate the validator charges on your staking rewards. For example, if the commission is 5%, the validator takes 5% of your rewards as their fee. Lower commission means you keep more of your rewards. Step 3, enter the amount you want to stake. Now, decide how much Hype you want to stake. You'll see an input field where you can enter the amount. You can also click max if you want to stake all your available Hype. My recommendation, don't stake everything. Keep some Hyperliquid in case you need it for trading fees or other purposes. For example, if you have 1,000 Hype, maybe stake 800 and keep 200 available. Step 4, confirm and stake. Once you've entered the amount, click stake or confirm. You'll see a confirmation pop-up showing the amount you're staking, the current APR, and the unstaking period, how long it takes to unstake. Read this carefully. Make sure you understand the unstaking period before you proceed. If everything looks good, click confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. And that's it. Your Hype is now staked. Step 5, track your rewards. After you've staked, you can track your rewards on the staking dashboard. You'll see your staked amount, rewards earned so far, current APR, and estimated earnings over time. Your rewards will accumulate automatically. Depending on how Hyperliquid staking works, you might be able to claim them manually or they might auto-compound. Check the staking page for details on how rewards are distributed. Now, what if you want to unstake your tokens? Here's how. Step 1, go to the staking page. Step 2, click Unstake. You'll see your stake balance. Next to it, there should be an Unstake button. Click it. Step 3, enter the amount to unstake. Enter how much Hype you want to unstake. You can unstake all of it or just a portion. Step 4, confirm and wait. Click confirm and approve the transaction. Now, here's the important part. You'll have to wait for the unstaking period to complete. This could be anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on Hyperliquid's rules. During this time, your tokens are still locked. You won't earn staking rewards, but you also can't access them yet. Once the unstaking period is over, your Hype will be available in your wallet again, and you can trade or withdraw it. And that's the full tutorial on how to stake on Hyperliquid. To get started, sign up to Hyperliquid using my link down below. Now look, Hype just hit almost $64. The buyback machine is still running, ETF money is flowing in, and people are genuinely starting to talk about flipping BNB. Whether that happens or not, the fundamentals are there, and staking is one of the best ways to stay positioned while you wait for the next move. If this video was helpful, drop a like down below and subscribe. I post crypto updates and tutorials like this every single day. If you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on your screen right now. Go check that out next. Or if you'd rather go deep on Hyperliquid and copy the best traders automatically using Claude, check out the other videos on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.